Then tomorrow a big day as the RBI will decide whether it will raise rates or not after its monetary policy meet. Priyanshi has the latest details on what's expected. Priyanshi.
Sonia, there are multiple worrying signs right ahead of the Reserve Bank's rate hike decision. Number one, rupee weakened by 31 paise and ended at 79.47 per dollar, falling for the second straight session. Now, rupee's value against the dollar is falling as dollar's rate is climbing up. This is primarily because the Fed recently signaled that they will keep raising interest rates till inflation comes in control. The fear of high borrowing costs is again taking global investors back to the safe currency, which of course is the dollar, and that's taking the dollar's demand and its rate up. Now, the second factor is that markets ended that 6-day winning streak. SENSEX was down 52 points and ended at 58,298, while NIFTY lost 6 points and settled at 17,382. Now, markets were clearly volatile ahead of the Reserve Bank's decision. Now, experts predict a 30 to 50 basis point Reserve Bank rate hike. Along with that decision, we'll also have to see whether the inflation and GDP forecasts of the Reserve Bank will be revised. Now, there's a third factor as well that could make things worse, both for the markets and for the global economy as well. The Bank of England announced its sharpest rate hike in 27 years. The bank raised interest rates by 50 basis points to 1.75% to control inflation that's at a 40-year high. And that's not all. The Bank of England has predicted the longest recession for the United Kingdom since the global financial crisis of 2008. The bank said that the UK economy would begin to shrink in the final quarter of 2022 and contract throughout next year. These are the top worries ahead of that key RBI decision, and all eyes, of course, on RBI's announcement now.